overview of my room when you walk in and what you see. Here's my door. I'll just start on the right next to my door when you walk in. This is what you see. So at the top here, I have a neon light that says love, and it's pink when you turn it on. I got it from a random store in my city. Whenever I turn this light pink at night and I have this on, it just gives like the best vibe ever. I have two hooks from IKEA that just hold a jacket and a bag. And then over here, I have this little, what do you call it, like a shelving something, bookcase, not really bookcase, like I don't know what you call this. On top, I just have a fake plant from IKEA as well, same as the pot is also from IKEA. I have this photo frame that holds a Polaroid of Luke and I, that's from Urban Outfitters. I have this like candle light holder. I don't remember where I got it from, but it holds some coins. And then I have the remote to my light. For everyone who always asks me on my Instagram how I get the neon light in my room, it's this thing. Then down here, I just have 3 pairs of shoes, one in the corner, and then these are my 2 favorites. And yeah, it's just for like, I don't know, easy access, I guess. And I have this stool on the side, which I DIY'd from IKEA. Both of these are from IKEA, but it's really ugly because the paint literally chipped off, so it honestly sucks. And then I have another bag on top, and then over here is my closet. On the top of my closet, I just keep 2 of my suitcases and the box of my PlayStation. If you want to see a tour of my closet, I will leave it down below because I did a video on it, and it's pretty much still the same, kind of. So yeah. All of this is from IKEA as well. It's their pack system. And in the middle of my room, I have this rug from Zara Home, and then this table, side table, that's marble, also from Zara Home. I think I got the jewelry stand from West Wing Home Now. And then there I just have 2 sunglasses from eBay. Down there are some sandals. These 2 candle light holders, I can't remember where I got those from. And yeah, this just holds my necklaces and rings and stuff, and I have some earrings on there, so yeah, that's just in the middle of my room. So then over here, I have this shelving unit, these shelves, I don't know what you call that shit. It's also from IKEA, and then on the first row, I just have these 2 pretty books and a gold cherry, which I think is from, I think I got it at Hudson's Bay. I don't remember the exact brand. What's the brand? It just says Hudson's Bay, Bloomingvale. That's a really nice brand for home decor. And I have a candle from Primark that smells like ass, but it's pretty, so. I have 2 picture frames in the back, and then I have this marble tray that holds my 3 perfumes and some crystals, and this, I think this is also from Bloomingville. Yeah, this is actually a vase, but I just used it as decor. Then down here, this is kind of the ugly row. It just holds this in the back, which is where I keep all my scrunchies and like bandanas and hair stuff. And then I just have a random vase right there. And then I have a book that I've been trying to read, but I haven't really gotten around to it yet. My glasses. And then these things I actually got yesterday from my little sister. She got me 3 of these like voodoo dolls that are like supposed to like watch over you. They're really cute. So I just keep them there, I guess. And then what is that? Oh, there's a piece of paper behind there. But this is just a little basket that holds a blanket, which I actually slept with all summer. But now it's just there for when it gets colder in the winter and I need an extra blanket. And here's my bed. So my bed is from IKEA. In the headboard, it actually holds stuff, but that's like really personal, so I'm not gonna go through that. But this bed is from IKEA. Let me show you. It has 4 drawers, 2 on each side, which I'm not gonna go into either because they're personal, but I just have like random stuff in there. This blanket is from Hudson's Bay. It's really pretty. And then this pillow is from H&M. These 2, I can't remember, but I'll try to put it on the screen or something. I have my soap pillowcase and then this headboard. This tray is from H&M Home. And then I have some crystals in there and 3 nail polishes just for the aesthetic. What's that? I think this mirror was from Sanos, which is a Dutch store. I think that's where I got it. Then I have this room spray that I got from Hudson's Bay as well. Makes your room smell so good. I have this book and then another frame. I have a lot of books for like decor. And I have this rituals candle, which smells really good. I have this elephant, which I got from Primark, and it was rose gold, but I spray painted it gold. And I have a couple more books. This black box from Ikea. This Buddha head. I don't know where I got it from. I think we had it for like years and I just stole it. But you can like put scented oils in there and like it makes your room smell really good. And I have this lamp, which is a little bit crooked because it's against the wall, but it's from Zara Home as well. So then moving over to this side, this is what you see when you lay in my bed. And this is also what you see a lot on my Instagram story. So in the corner right there, I have this fake plant from Ikea. And then at the top, I have a picture frame. And then you see my Polaroid wall, which is actually coming together pretty nicely. I got the Polaroid printer and I just print like my favorite pictures and stuff and put them on there for memories. I don't know. And then over here in the corner, I have my speaker from Urban Outfitters. And I have this thing, which is again like a room scent type of thing. You put these melting like cubes in there and it makes your room smell really good. I always use vanilla. And I have my TV and my remote, and I have some photo booth pictures with my friends. I have a fake plant from Ikea, a couple more pretty books, and then this marble candle, which I actually completely burnt, and I need to buy one to put inside because we cleaned it out, but yeah. Then over here I have my PlayStation, I have my Polaroid printer, and then these 2 decor thingies. I'm pretty sure that is from Ikea, and this I got, I don't remember. And then down there I just have some shoes. Like that's kind of like not really cute or anything because this is what you see mostly, so yeah. So over here is my mirror, which a lot of people ask me where I got it from. I will leave it on the screen. It's actually from a Dutch online like mirror store. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. And then up there I just have 2 posters from Urban Outfitters. I'm hoping to get a couple more so I can like kind of put some more on there. I don't know, I think that'll be kind of cute. Going over to this side, this is the last part of my room. So here I just have a shelf, which isn't really finished yet. So it looks a little bit boring. In there I want to get some flowers, and then I don't know, like as time goes by I might add some more stuff on there. But this is basically it. Just some random decor and like Gucci box and then some bags. Then going down here is my vanity. So I have this acrylic box on the wall, which is from Ikea, that just holds some like pretty makeup, I don't know. And then I have 2 fake plants, again from Ikea. This candle is also from Ikea, and then I have another marble tray that just holds some like beauty products, and it's kind of more for aesthetic purposes, I guess. Then I have this mirror, which is so beautiful. It's from Zara Home, and it has a marble base, which is like literally so gorgeous, and then the mirror itself is gold. And then down here I have my YouTube 100 subscriber plaque, which I just like to keep there because I think it looks good, and I don't know, I can see it when I'm getting ready, so I like that a lot. This little desk vanity thing is from Ikea. Then I have this Ikea acrylic chair that I also tried to DIY and make gold, but as you can see, the paint like chipped again, so it looks really bad, but whatever. The faux fur rug is also from Ikea. Then I have a trash can, also from Ikea, lots of Ikea. Then over here I have the Alex 9 drawer. And I actually did a makeup collection on my channel, so if you want to see that, I'll link it down below, because I'm not gonna really go through any drawers, and the first 5 drawers are makeup stuff. So on top of here I just have 3 vases that hold my makeup brushes, and then this tissue box holder. I think these are all from West Wing Home now. They have really good stuff. So yeah, so the first 5 drawers are makeup, and then in here I have hair products, nail products like nail polishes, I have electronics, and then just random stuff like tampons and I don't know, random stuff. I'm not gonna go through it because it's very personal and it's messy and I don't really want to show it. Then here's my door, and on my door I just have a hook that holds my robe, which is from H&M. Everyone always asks me, it's from H&M, but I got it like 2 years ago, so I don't know if they still sell it, but I'm pretty sure they always have like similar type of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna film the outro on my phone, but that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.